My name is Ademola Michael Daniel Williams. For One Nation Treasures, a travel consultant legally registered in Sweden, where I reside. That being said, I would like to say that I do not work for any embassy and I do not work for any Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Welcome to Spain, a nation where history meets innovation, offering a vibrant lifestyle and a gateway to the European market. From the sun-drenched Mediterranean coast to the tech hubs of Madrid, Spain is becoming a top destination for global entrepreneurs. Today, we are diving into every single detail of the Spain Autónomo Visa for 2026, also known as the self-employed visa. This visa allows non-EU citizens to reside and work in Spain as self-employed professionals or small business owners. To qualify in 2026, the most critical element is a solid, viable business plan that demonstrates benefit to the Spanish economy. Your plan must be approved by an authorized organization in Spain, showing your professional qualifications and projected earnings. You must also prove you have sufficient financial means to support yourself and any family members during your stay. While figures vary, having at least 30,000 euros in accessible funds is generally recommended for a single applicant. Full coverage. Private health insurance from a provider authorized to operate in Spain is mandatory for the entire first year. A clean criminal record from every country you have lived in for the past 5 years is also essential, along with a medical certificate. The process begins at the Spanish consulate in your country of residence, where you submit all your legalized and translated documents. You will need to apply for an NIE number, which is your foreign identification number, used for all legal and tax purposes in Spain. Once approved, you must register with the Spanish tax agency and the social security system to start your professional activity. As an autonomo, you will be responsible for quarterly VAT and income tax filings, as well as monthly social security contributions. The initial visa is usually for 1 year, renewable for another 4 years if you continue to meet the requirements and stay current with taxes. After 5 years of continuous residence, you can apply for permanent residency, opening even more doors for your future in Europe. It is highly recommended to work with a local Spanish gestor or legal consultant to ensure your business plan and tax registrations are perfect. Mistakes in the application can lead to long delays, so getting professional help early on is a wise investment for your move. Spain's self-employed visa is a gateway to an incredible life with the right preparation. 2026 can be the year you launch in Spain. Take the first step today, gather your documents, and start dreaming of your new office under the Spanish sun. Thank you for watching, and God bless. Always remember that your greatest passport is knowledge. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in Spain very soon.